Children, please open English classwork book page number 65 and we will write alphabet X. X for xylophone.
First we will do tracing of alphabet X. Slanting line from red line to second blue line. Again an opposite slanting line to from red line to second blue line, which will cut on the first blue line. That is capital X. Small x will write between the blue lines. Slanting line, opposite slanting line, this is small x. Again red line to second blue line, slanting line, opposite slanting line from red line to second blue line, which will cut the first slanting line at the first blue line. That is capital X. Small x is slanting line, opposite slanting line between the blue lines. Slanting line, opposite slanting line, this is capital X. Small x, red line to second blue line, slanting line, opposite slanting line which will cut on the first blue line, this is capital X, and small x between the blue lines. Slanting line, opposite slanting line, that is capital X. Slanting line, now opposite slanting line is small x. Capital X, small x. Now we will write without the dots. So start from the red line slanting line to second blue line. Now opposite slanting line which will cut the first slanting line on the first blue line to the second blue line. Capital X and small x between the blue lines. Red line to second blue line. Opposite slanting line from red line to second blue line. Capital X, small x. Capital X is slanting line from red line to second blue line. Opposite slanting line which will cut the first slanting line on the first blue line to the second blue line is capital X. Small x between the blue lines. Small x. Again capital X. Small x. Children, this is how you will complete the whole page. Now what is this? Xylophone. So which letter will you write here? X. X is in xylophone. Now we will color the xylophone as it is given here. This is how we will color the xylophone. I hope you will complete the page properly.